Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another product review, and that is another Korean product. Of course, you and I both know I freaking love Korean products because well, not because I'm biased and because I'm Korean, but more because their stuff actually works. At least the stuff that I've tried so far works. So, but this product is I feel like it became quickly one of my holy grail items, and I just gotta recommend it to you guys. I just have to recommend it to you guys. So, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so before I really begin the video, if you haven't already, if you could be so kind to subscribe to my channel and become part of the KWAKFAM, that would be wonderful. And if you're already subscribed and part of the KWAKFAM, then welcome back, of course. And of course, click on that notification bell. And I mentioned in one of my videos before that I might be doing some type of like notification bell squad giveaway. I don't know yet. I have to kind of think it out and see what I want to give away and how I want to make the rules. So just keep that in mind. So having the bell turned on helps you, so yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so we are talking about, ooh, a little sneak peek you got there. We're talking about the Tony Moly Lazy and Easy Holika Holika cleanser, if you will. So the first one, it has just a bit of product left just because I've been using it pretty much every single day. And this first product, which is this right here, it's called the Lazy and Easy All Kill Cleanser Oil to Foam face wash. I guess you can call it a face wash because it is. So that little character is a little egg. How cute is that? Now, this cleanser is amazing. Amazing. And let me tell you why. First of all, and I'm speaking from my own experience. I mean, everyone's experience on makeup and skincare and face wash and yada 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 is different. But speaking from my own personal experience, number one, this thing removes every single one of my makeup. I mean, all my makeup. All. Not a little bit. It's left on my skin. Alright? I promise that this removes all my makeup. Alright? Now, how do I use this? I would pump one, maybe two if I feel like I'm wearing like a full face of makeup. But normally I just pump one pump and lather it in my hand. And then when you pump it in your hand, first of all, it's like an oily consistency. But the moment you lather it up, it becomes foamy. Now, at first, when I think of foam, I'm like, nice, rich, like luscious foam. But honestly, it's just like the foam is kind of it's kind of whatever, but it's not a big deal to me. I mean, it's just, you're going to wash it off anyway. So it does foam up, but not like a big, luscious, lathering foam. It's more of a little, tiny little foam, itsy bitsy little foam. So, I mean, it does foam up, but not that much. So if you're thinking it's going to foam up a lot, then don't think that way because it's not going to. So I use my hands to kind of lather it up, and then that just kind of like takes off all my makeup. Sometimes I use my hands, sometimes I use like a silicone face scrubber. Not really a face scrubber, I guess. Those things you can get at Sephora or maybe even like Forever 21 or Target, those like silicone face scrubber thingies, but it doesn't really scrub your face because it feels soft because it's silicone. You get what I'm saying? I'll post a picture up somewhere around here or here. I don't know yet. So yeah, so I use the silicone thing, or just my hand to take it off, and this works amazing. Wonders. I had no breakouts. I mean, I don't really break out anyway, but I had no breakouts. My skin is slightly sensitive, so I had no issues with that. I do have dry skin, and my skin hasn't been reacting to that. What else? This is just some powerful stuff. I mean, this is just, I love it. Oh, yes, and right here, if you look at it, it has like a little snap thing you take off. So you take this off so the pump can come out, and you put it back on so it's locked in place, just in case you want to take it with you to travel so it doesn't like spill all over your bag, your purse, whatever, your luggage. So yeah, That is the first item. Now, the second item is by the same company, and is their face peel-off mask, if you will. So here is what it looks like. Literally looks like an egg. How adorable is that, honestly? Alright. This is the Holika Holika Lazy and Easy Smooth Egg Peeling Gel. Now, you take this and you pop off the top so it comes off. Alright. So there is a close-up of that little cute little egg. How cute is this? Such cute packaging. That is so adorable. So, and you wanna, to open it, you just kind of like pop open the yolk area. So like that. You see that? So you pop that open and you just squeeze however much you want and it comes out from there. So you squeeze that, and what you want to do is on a clean face, and it works best if your face is dry and maybe a little bit damp if you want it to be, but honestly I do it on dry face. And you just put a little bit in your hand and then you kind of rub it in, and then you'll see your dead skin just flossing off. Is that even a word? Flossing? Am I saying it correctly? I don't know. Like peeling off. You'll see your dead skin coming off of your skin. You get what I'm saying? So this just kind of very gently exfoliates your skin. That way it doesn't, you know, irritate or harm your skin because it's so gentle, but at the same time you're exfoliating your skin because it's taking off all that dead skin cell. So pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. I do use this not every day. I use it like maybe once a week-ish, maybe twice a week, because I do have other products I want to try out too, and I do use. So yes, this is a good product to use because it's, in my opinion, it's gentle. Gentle. Alright, so by the way, if you're watching this and you're like, I feel like Sarah has already talked about those two products somewhere, but where did I watch her video from? Well, if you feel like you've watched this, you know, you've seen these two products somewhere, that's probably because you've seen them on my IGTV, which, by the way, if you're not already following me on my Instagram or all my other social platforms, please don't hesitate to follow, to connect with me. Alright, so, oh yeah, so anyways, I did post this a little while ago about this Holika Holika Tony Moly products, and so that was on my IGTV. But if you're not watching me on IGTV, then you're watching me here, then that's fine too. Alright, so if I had to pick one out of the two that I would recommend, but I do recommend both of them, to be honest. They're just great products. But if I had to pick one out of the two, if you haven't figured it out already, I would definitely recommend this one, just because it just works. It really works. I don't know, it works. Honestly, it works. It takes my makeup off. All I do is like rip off my lashes, and I just kind of go to town with it. I'm not even like scrubbing hard with it, and this just takes off all my makeup. Alright, so out of the two, if I had to recommend one of them, I would recommend the little oil to foam cleanser. Powerful stuff. Alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick review. If you guys like these quick little mini reviews I do, then please click that like button down below. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, of course, click subscribe, join the KWAKFAM, and, well, that's it, guys. Alright, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!